Today we are doing a PRP breast lift, and we are using some filler to help give some immediate lift now. And as that filler breaks down over time, her PRP is going to be kicking in over time, and that's going to continue her lift for over a year, could even be 2 years. With the collagen that she makes from this, could last a really long time, especially because she's pretty young and probably does not eat up her collagen as quickly as us old people do. I've already used numbing cream over her chest, and I wiped it off already, and I made a little area of where I want to put the filler. So I'm just going to wipe it down again. And are you ready to go? Mm-hmm. Okay, cool. So I'm just kind of inject in a bunch of different ways here. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Here we go. And we're just going to do some. The nice thing about putting filler in first is that it has lidocaine in it, so it makes it a little bit more comfortable for the actual PRP. Oh, good, 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 good. You're doing so great. Awesome. So that's nice. We got some immediate improvement. Now we're going to use our platelet-rich plasma. And I'm going to put some of that in now. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. Awesome. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, la la la. Here we go. And hopefully it's not too spicy, considering we just put all that filler in there with some lidocaine. Turn your head a little bit more. Yep, you got it. All right. Okay. I'm going to go to number 2. I'm going to do this platelet-rich plasma a little bit higher now. 1, 2, 3, la la la. Here we go. All right. Beautiful. Patient is a superstar. You're doing so good. Okay, beautiful. You doing okay still? Mm-hmm. Excellent answer. All right, now we're going to keep going around the breast. We're going to put some of that platelet poor plasma in. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3. You okay? Mm-hmm. Okay. Spicy or?
No, it's fine.
Okay. Okay. So I didn't really explain what PRP is, but it stands for platelet-rich plasma. And so what we did, again, prior to the video, was we drew our patient's blood, we spun it down, and we actually spun it twice, and we got a very concentrated amount of platelets in a smaller amount of plasma. And so that's called platelet-rich plasma. And so I injected that here and here, and now I'm using what's the platelet-poor plasma, because although it's platelet-poor, it's still got some platelets in it. And we're going to use the rest of that because I never like to leave anything behind. We're going to use that and here as well. And so what happens is, over time, the platelets are going to recruit her stem cells to migrate to where the platelets are, and then they are going to become brand new adipose tissue. So, which is what breast tissue is. But that takes anywhere from 3 to 4 months, sometimes even up to 6 months. I always tell people, come back in a year, year and a half, let's do that again. It can increase your breast size by 1 to 2 cup sizes, but it's, that's not really predictable. So if you want to get a breast lift that's very predictable, then that's surgery. But this is using your own blood. There's no downtime, and you can see how simple doing that one breast was. Any pain with that?
Nope.
Nope, not at all. Sounds good. Sounds like the plan. And so I'm gonna wipe off the numbing cream off the other side, and then we'll be back in a sec. 1, 2, 3, la la la, la la la. There we go. Easy peasy. We're gonna go a little bit lateral. Here we go again. nice thing about this particular filler is it's collagen producing, so it will help lift even more. Okay, then we've got the platelet-rich plasma. I'm gonna go right in here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, la la la. So you can use platelets all sorts of places. So we can do it in the breasts. You can use it in the hair to help with hair restoration. You can use it in the face. You can do vampire facials or facelifts. Facials is where we microneedle it in, and the facelift is where we inject platelets after filler in the face, kind of like what we're doing here, but doing it in the face. You can also use it for sexual wellness, so you can inject in the pelvic floor of females to help with stress urinary incontinence, as well as sexual function. You can inject into the male, into penises to help with erectile dysfunction. So there's all sorts of things that we can do with platelets. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, now this is the platelet pore plasma. We're going to, let's see, after this, she won't need to wear any special bras. Although I always say sometimes wearing a bra helps just with the soreness, because I did poke you a few times. And sometimes even wearing a couple like sports bras if you're going to be doing any kind of exercise or anything. But it's definitely not the downtime of any kind of breast surgery. One more, la 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 la. So bruising is a possibility, but you know, pretty minimal. I don't want you to use any anti-inflammatories, so no ibuprofen or anything like that, because we want all the inflammation to happen and for those cells to come over and get recruited. But that's it.